Hello everyone, good noon. First of all, I remember my Almighty Allah, and then I would like to thanks to all of you for giving me a chance to deliver my speech. Today's topic is myself. This is Mahir. My school name is Sharai Bangla School and College. I am a student. I am 10 years old. My dad's name is Masud Parvez and my mom's name is Hajra Khatun Shanta. My dad is a banker and my mom is a housewife. I have a youngest brother and elder sister. My aim in life is army. Thank you so much.